Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making a simple skillet supper with smoked sausage and zucchini. This makes a colorful, hearty meal that comes together in no time. So let's get started. Cut 14 ounces of smoked sausage into bite-sized pieces. Then cut 2 large zucchini and 2 small yellow squash into bite-sized pieces. Next, cut enough cherry tomatoes in half to make 2 cups. Now take a large skillet, and I'm using a 12-inch skillet, and this will be very full, but it cooks down, and put it over medium heat, and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Heat this for about 1 minute. Then add your smoked sausage and 1 diced onion. Now cook this for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then add your zucchini, your yellow squash, cherry tomatoes, 2 or 3 cloves of garlic minced, and 1 1/4 teaspoons of dried oregano. Stir this together well. Now cook this for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then give it another stir and put on a lid and cook it for an additional 7 minutes or until the zucchini is tender but still has some crunch to it. And make sure you check on this occasionally and give it a stir. And here it is, simple skillet supper with smoked sausage and zucchini. And this is great served on its own or over rice or pasta. And you can change this up by adding different veggies such as mushrooms, bell peppers, or even broccoli. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. Today I'm making a simple skillet sausage. Simple skillet sausage. And today I'm making a simple skillet supper with zucchini and smoked sausage. And cook this for an additional 7. And you can change up this recipe by using oh no, no! I had it. I had it. Made with zucchini. And this is great served over rice or pasta, or by itself, or on its own. And here it is, simple skillet Whoop.